Mitra, could you explain your Crust 2, which is your annual survey that you do?
Yes, CRUST is a term for consumer research on used goods and selling trends. Why used goods? Because OLX actually pioneered the whole concept of buying and selling of used goods in the country. And but we realized that a lot of insights on used goods were not coming out because people had apprehensions to sell, people are stocking, and people are also selling sometimes. And we wanted to go deep into this. And we came up with this idea to research this out. Last year we did a research in 12 cities, and we found about the market to be worth about 22,000 crores of money lying unused in people's houses in urban India alone. And this year in Crust 2, we found that it's about 56,200 crores. That's huge. And this is a research we did in 16 cities.
Now, you've also coined this term called brown money. Could you explain that, please?
Yeah, so when we realized that so much of money is lying unused, we said that what could this money do? And I think that what is this money? And we found that this money is actually coming from unused goods, which has some dust on top of it. So we coined it brown money because brown money signifies that this money is actually made, earned from your hard work, but it is lying unused with some dust, and you can unlock this money via OLX.
Amongst the various categories, what are the kind of categories that you feel will sort of earn more money or give better value to people if they sell?
Yeah, so the biggest categories which people are using today, and 65% of people who actually sell, they say that they're using OLX today or selling today for upgrading. And all categories where people are upgrading, from mobile phones to consumer electronics to white good appliances at homes and even furniture, wherever they're upgrading, it's about the highest value can be derived there. But we also found that a lot of categories in which people are stocking, which maybe people are not finding it as yet, like kitchen utensils and some kitchen appliances, other small items in the houses, which people are stocking, but they may not be selling that in a right time. But tomorrow that could be another area where people might explore.
Now, can you give us a little background on the growth of OLX in India, how it's grown over the years?
So OLX came in about 6 years back when I started OLX in India. And in the last 3.5 years or 4 years, you would say that we are actually actively marketed that concept because we have created the market from scratch. So the growth for us has been about 150 times in the core metrics that we look at is the overall page views in the last 3.5 years. But more importantly, I think it is the growth is in terms of the way OLX has penetrated the psyche of the Indian consumer, where the Bech De word has actually gone across and everybody understands that and they know what OLX stands for. So I think that is the most heartening thing for us.
And how would your market share be currently in the current scenario, do you expect, and in the future? What do you expect?
So we don't look at market share because the market didn't exist as such and we have created the market. But so that means we have yet to create a large market, yet to come our way. But if you look at the people who are trying to do the same thing, I think we should be having about 70 to 75% of market share in the core stuff that we do, and that is only getting stronger.
What are your plans for the year ahead for 2015-16?
Our plan is to actually help unlock this 56,000 crores worth of goods that are lying in people's house and help them improve their lives, and not only their own lives. We would want to see how we can improve the lives within their communities, and I think even want to make the country efficient.